Hey, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Um, I know I've never posted a video in selfie mode because I've never seen my lettering backwards as if I'm looking in a mirror. But I figured I would finally catch up to the rest of society and do that. Um, I decided to be a little bit different though, not hold my phone up vertically so you don't have a narrow little video to watch. But I appreciate you checking in on my channel. I'm still alive. I'm kind of stuck, uh, lost in my office. I ran out of a lot of space. So over the past couple of months, I've been trying to find my way out. Uh, I'm just, I've got my flashlight here to keep me company. um, Sometimes when my wife comes in, she's able to throw some food in to keep me going. The COVID-19 situation is it's kept everybody indoors, and everybody knows how social I am. Okay, I'm not gonna do that for an April Fool's joke. I'm an introvert, so life has not changed at all for me. Not one bit. Other than I'm still trying to find my way out of my home office. Uh, you can see if I can get my arm stuck out enough. I've got all kinds of crap. My flashlight went out. Help me!